All right, number 11, we got 4 parts. In a survey, 1,400 adults in a certain country were asked how many hours they had worked in the previous week. Based on the results, 95% confident interval for the mean number of hours worked was lower bound 39.3 and upper bound 42.9. Which represent a reasonable interpretation of results for those that are not explaining the flaw. So A through D. 95% chance that the mean number of hours worked by adults in the previous week was between 39 and 40. So we would say we are 95% confident that the true mean is between these two numbers. This would be flawed. Last week. Flawed, implication, individuals, flawed, implies the mean varies rather than the interval. Yep, so this would be flawed based on D. Next, we are 95% confident that the mean number of hours worked by adults in this country in the previous week was between, yes, this would be a correct interpretation. That language is great. 95% of the adults in this country worked between this. This is flawed. Interpretation makes an implication about individuals. So yeah, it sounds like this is really about the individuals. 95% of the adults is talking about the adults rather than like the study. And then the last one, we are 95% confident that the mean number of hours worked by adults in a particular area of this country in the previous week was between 39 and 42. We are 90. Flawed. We are 95% confident that the mean number of hours worked. Yeah. So this is, I would say, the adults in the country, and this is saying in a particular area. So this is flawed based on D. The statement up here says in the country, and this is in the whole country. This one talks about a particular area. So flawed based on D. 12, in the survey, 1,100 adults asked how many hours they worked. Based on that, 95% confidence for the mean, lower bound 42.7, upper bound 44.5. Provide 2 recommendations for decreasing the margin of error. So if we want to decrease the margin of error, we can increase the sample size. Okay, that means we have more people, less error. And we can decrease the level, the confidence level. That would also give us less error, those two.